Hello dear students, welcome back to our session. So we have started chapter 16, surface area and volume. I hope you all remember the concepts what we have discussed. We have discussed about two shapes, that is cube and cuboid. And we have discussed the volume of cube and cuboid. What was volume of cube? It was length cube, that is length into length into length, that is nothing but length cube. And volume of cuboid that we have studied is nothing but length into breadth into height. So that is what we are going to use to solve our practice set 16.1. So there are 4 questions. So let's begin with question number 1. So you can see on the board what is given in the question. If you refer your textbook, you can see what is given in the textbook. Find the volume of a box if its length, breadth and height are 20 cm, 10.5 cm and 8 cm respectively. So length, you have to write what is given first. Length 20 cm, breadth is 10.5 cm, height given as 8 cm. We know volume of cuboid is nothing but length into breadth into height. So what will be the volume of box? So length into breadth into height, we are going to multiply 20 into 10.5 into 8. First multiply 20 and 8. 8 2s are 60 and 0. 160 into 10.5. Multiply this. How you are going to multiply? Now it is 160. Okay. As there is a 0, if you multiply with this, we can remove the decimal point. If you are getting confused, do one thing. Just check 105 into 160. Zeros are, everything will be 0. 6 5s are 30. 6 1s are 6. And 5 0 1. So what is the total? 0 0 8 6 1. Now here it is not 105 but 10.5. So you are going to put the decimal point before how many number? One number. So before one number you are going to put a decimal point. So here what you are going to get is 1680.0. After decimal point, as 0 has come, as we all know that it doesn't has a value. So what will be our volume here? 1680 cc. That is cubic centimeter. This will be our answer. Now we shall see question number 2. Now question number 2, what is given in the question? In question it is given as a cuboid shaped soap bar. A soap bar has volume. Here volume is already given, that is 150 cubic centimeter. Find its thickness if its length is 10 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter. Now here volume is given, length is given, breadth is given. What are we supposed to find out? We are supposed to find out thickness means what? Height of a soap. Okay. Now here what is given? Volume of cuboidal soap bar is 150 cc, that is cubic centimeter. Length 10 centimeter, breadth 5 centimeter. And volume of cuboid, you have to write the formula, length into breadth into height. And then volume of cuboidal soap bar is what? Length is what? 10. Breadth is 5. And height not given, we put it as h. Volume of cuboidal soap bar we have been given 150. 10 into 50 into h. So you will get here 150 is equal to 5 tens are, sorry, it is 5 here. So 50 h. So what is h? That is nothing but 150 upon 50. So you can cancel zeros. 5 how much are? 3s are. So what is remaining? Only 3. So that is 3 centimeter. So we got the height. Easy it is. So final answer you have to write as it is a word problem. Therefore the thickness cuboidal soap bar is How much? 3 centimeter. Okay. So this is your final answer. Now we shall see question number 3. So your third question is little bit different, but nothing difficult. It is easy. Students, try to understand what is given in the question. You can see, I'll just read out the question for you all. How many bricks of length? You all know the bricks. That is, in Hindi we call it as eat. For construction we use the bricks to build the buildings, to build the house, to build the walls, etc. Isn't it? So how many bricks of length? Now bricks are in cuboidal shape. So how many bricks of length? 25 centimeter, breadth 15 centimeter, height 10 centimeter are required. So here we are going to find number of bricks required. To build a wall of length 6 meter, height 2.5 meter and breadth 0.5 meter. So here what are we supposed to find out? How many bricks are required? What is given? Length, breadth, height of brick also. Length, breadth, height of wall also. So when you divide the wall upon the volume of wall divided by volume of bricks, you are going to get the answer for how many bricks are required. Okay. Now here you can see a difference. For bricks, measurement is given. What is the unit? Centimeters. But for case of wall, what is given? It is nothing but in meters. So either we have to convert centimeter into meter, so that both becomes meter only, or meter we have to convert it into centimeter. So what we will do, for wall it is given in meters, we will convert it into centimeters. Okay. So 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 1 meter is nothing but 100 centimeters. So what are we going to do? While calculating for wall, we are going to multiply it with 100, all the length, breadth and height. But here the length, breadth and height of brick is already in centimeters, so we can find out the volume. So here you can see what is the length given? 25 centimeter. What is the breadth given over here? 15 centimeter. And what is the height given? 10 centimeter. Okay. And volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. So we can solve it further. That is nothing but volume of brick is equal to 25 into 15 into 10. Okay, when you multiply, you will get 250 into 15. Multiply and check how much you are getting. 250 into 15. Just multiply 25 into 15, and then for the answer you can put a 0. So 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 12, 5, 2, 5, 7, 3 and the 0. So what is the volume of brick? 3750 cubic centimeter. Now we shall find out for wall. For wall, what is the length given? 6 meter. Okay. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. You should know all this. It's very important to solve it further. So that is nothing but 6 into 100 is equal to 600 centimeter. Breadth given as 0.5 meter. 0.5 into 100 is equal to how much? Now 0.5 into 100. So you are going to multiply by 100. So how many zeros will come? 0, 5, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0. Now decimal point before one number. So here before one number, decimal point. So here what is the answer? Nothing but 50. 50 centimeter. Next, height given as 2.5 meter. So 2.5 into 100 is equal to how much? Same. 2.5 into 100 is nothing but 2500. Decimal point before one number, so here also before one number you are going to put a decimal point. So how much you are getting? 250 centimeter. Now we can find out the volume of cuboid. Okay, so what is the volume of cuboid? That is nothing but volume. You can put this in a box. Volume of wall is equal to length is 600 into 50 into 250. 6 5s are 30. Correct? 6 5s are 30. 3. So either you can write 30. 1, 2, 3. 6 5s are 30. We have written. And how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. So 3 zeros you have added. So total 30,000 into 250. 25 3s are 75. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 75 lakh cubic centimeter. We got this answer. We got volume of wall. We got volume of brick. Now what are we supposed to find? How many bricks are required? So what you are going to do? You are going to divide both of them. Okay. Let's see. So now what you are going to do is number of bricks is equal to volume of wall upon volume of bricks. So how much you got for volume of wall? It is 75 lakh divided by 3750. Now students, while calculating here, it is your choice. Either you can write this, or if you are finding to divide this difficult, you can take this step. First step what we have taken, 600 into 50 into 250 upon 25 into 15 upon into 10. So I will show both the method, whichever you feel it easy, whichever you feel it comfortable, you can opt for that. Now suppose if you have multiplied everything and if you want to divide, how you are going to divide it? 0, 0 cancel. What is remaining? 375. Okay. It is 3-digit number. So here also take till 3 digits, 750. Just check. 275 multiplied by any number you will get 750. So we will just check with 2. 375 into 2. 5 2s are 10, 7 2s are 14 plus 1, 15, 3 2s are 6, 7. Yes, we are getting it. So we can cancel this 750 and 375 and we can write here 2. So if 375 into 2 is 750, so 375 into 2000 will give you 75 lakh, correct? So 2 we have written, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3 zeros are remaining. So how many bricks are required? 2000 bricks. Okay. Now suppose if you don't want to follow this method, then which method you are going to follow? So don't write both, either of this you can do. I am putting an or over here. Or you can follow 600 into 50 into 250 divided by, what was this? 25 into 15 into 10. Now the calculation is easy. You can cancel 0, 0, 25, 25. 5 tens are 50, 5 3s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 3 200s are 600. So what is remaining? Only 200 here and 10 here. So how much you are getting? 2000. Okay. So both the way if you do, you will get the correct answer provided you do the calculations properly. So this will be your final answer. So how many bricks are required? 2000 bricks. Now the last question, let's see how to solve and what is given in the question. Yes. So question number 4. For rainwater harvesting, a tank of length 10 meter, breadth 6 meter and depth 3 meter is built. What is the capacity of tank and how many liters of water can it hold? Now for rainwater harvesting, what do you mean by rainwater harvesting? Where the rainwater, during the rainy season, the rainwater is preserved in a tank, okay, where that can be used for the future purpose, okay, when there is a shortage of water. So it is very important that to have a rainwater harvesting in spite of wasting the rainwater and simply letting off into the sea, okay. So rainwater harvesting, a tank is built and length is given as 10 meter, breadth 6 meter and depth is 3 meters. Okay, what is capacity means? Depth means what here? Depth means the height of that tank, how deep it is. Okay, so it is the height, and capacity means what? Nothing but volume. So here you are going to calculate volume. So length given as 10 meter, breadth given as 6 meter, depth given as 3 meter. So volume of tank is equal to 10 into 6 into 3. That is nothing but 6 3s are 80. 180 cubic meter cube or cubic meter. Now they have asked us, now we got the capacity of tank as 180 meter cube. Now what is asked? How many liters of water it can hold? 1 cubic meter is equal to how many liters? 1000 liters. Okay. So 180 meter cube is nothing but, so therefore you can write liters of water the tank can hold is equal to 180 into 1000. So it is nothing but 1,80,000 liters. Okay, so this is how you are going to solve. So 1 meter cube is equal to nothing but 1000 liters of water. So you are going to multiply and you will get the answer. So with this we have finished practice set 16.1, where we have used volume of cuboid mostly. There is no questions related to volume of cube. So few extra questions I will give in the worksheet. So try to solve, practice more problems. So in the next class we will begin with a new shape, that is cylinder. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much everyone. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.